In the Air Force, we have command of the sky, and our ability to fly, fight, and win in the air and in space depends on our technology advantage. That's the bottom line. My name is Major General Scott Kane, and I'm the Commander, Air Force Research Laboratory. We're one lab supporting the science and technology requirements of our airmen and guardians. If the Air Force is called to fight and our aircraft are grounded because we don't have the equipment or the parts to maintain them, then those airmen aren't flying. And if they're not flying, they're not fighting. We can't let that happen.
Hello, my name is Dr. Robin Villalva, and I'm a materials engineer at the Air Force Research Lab's Materials and Manufacturing Directorate. Our warfighters shouldn't have to wait for parts that they need right now. The Air Force Research Lab is advancing an industrialized form of 3D printing called additive manufacturing, which we see as a game changer not just for the Air Force and Space Force, but for all of our military services.
Layer by layer, materials are deposited and then either fused or cured together. With the Air Force and Space Force, our institute is working with industry to accelerate the production of next-generation jet propulsion parts, optical mounts, castings and forgings, and advanced materials for aircraft and high-speed applications.
But we need more than just the technology. We need the knowledge to understand and apply it. We need the workforce and training to use it. And we need a strong ecosystem of American businesses ready to supply our warfighters when the nation calls them to serve. That's why we have America Makes.
America Makes was established by the Department of Defense in 2012 and designated as the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Institute.
We are a catalyst strategically positioned to bring our warfighters and our warfighting organizations the best additive manufacturing technology, training, education, and industrial base our nation has to offer.
The military services have always been among the first to embrace innovation, to make our systems and equipment stronger, lighter, faster, to ensure our warfighters are the best equipped, and to adapt to changes in the battle space.
Additive manufacturing has been around for 40 years, but what is innovative is using it to build flight-worthy parts and components. It's already used in civilian applications. Military air and space systems have high standards because of the high performance requirements. With America Makes, we have a way to work with industry to determine which applications are feasible now and which ones are further down the road.
Integration of additive manufacturing depends on America Makes, our industry and our military partners working together to put the needs of our warfighters and our nation first, to serve our airmen, our guardians, our soldiers, Marines, and sailors when they need it most.
As a warfighting organization, we know the importance of matching technical skill with knowledge and teamwork to accomplish a mission. This partnership will help the Air Force equip our airmen and our guardians with the technology to do what we do best. We aim high, we fly, fight, and win.